Explore the world of scent profiles and notes, learn about top, middle, and base notes, and embark on the journey of creating your own unique fragrance. In Grasse, you can discover the art of perfumery from the masters themselves. Tips for visitors. When planning a trip to Grasse, consider visiting during the jasmine harvest in August. The town is filled with the intoxicating scent of jasmine, creating a truly immersive perfume experience. Also, don't forget to visit the International Perfume Museum, where you can learn more about the history of perfumery and see a collection of rare perfume bottles. Closing. And with that, we conclude our olfactory journey in the captivating town of Grasse. You've witnessed the rich history, experienced the allure of its iconic attractions, and discovered the art of perfume making. But the question remains, what scent will you carry with you from Grasse? What memory will it trigger in the future? That, dear viewer, is the beauty of scent travel. End card. Thank you for joining us on this sensory journey through Grasse, France. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it inspired you to explore the world of perfumery. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smelling the roses, and the jasmine and the lavender and the rosemary.